Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer royalties from SoundCloud payouts to your bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your royalties from SoundCloud payouts to your bank, start by logging into your SoundCloud account. Go to your profile icon in the top right corner of the page and click on it. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Monetization tab. Here, you will see your earnings and options for managing your payouts. Ensure you have set up your payout method. If you haven't done this yet, click on Payouts to begin. You will need to provide your bank account information for transfer. Fill in your bank account details accurately, including the account number and routing number. Double-check your information for any errors before saving. After confirming your payout method, return to the Monetization tab. Locate the section labeled Payouts. Here, you can view your available balance and the payout schedule. Select the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Confirm the transaction when prompted. You may receive a notification confirming your transfer request. Wait for the processing time, which can vary based on your bank's policies. Once your transfer is complete, check your bank account to confirm the funds have arrived. That's it. You have successfully transferred your royalties from SoundCloud to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.